Alright, this is Caesar's Palace in the Palace Tower, Suite 1544. Let's check it out. Alright, this is a nice room. Walking in, you got a restroom to the left with a single sink and a toilet. And a shower. Nice large walk-in shower. And it looks like it's a walk-through shower. See it from the other side. Okay, got a little hallway where you'll find your closet and your safe and your ironing board. A room for storage. And on the other side, you have a lot more room for storage. And another mirror to check yourself out. Okay, now there's an additional bathroom with an additional single sink. This time you get a large jetted soaker tub. And another toilet with a bidet. It is a walk-through shower. 2 shower heads. Oop. Very nice. Look at that. We're in the other room. So we're staying here on a Monday with a Caesar's Rewards hotel room offer. We upgraded for an additional $80 for this. I think it's worth it. Nice wide open large room. King size bed. Large couch, work desk with a Keurig, mini bar with a TV, some extra storage spaces. Here's your fully stocked mini bar fridge. And on the other side, you have additional spaces to store your belongings. Very nice. Going towards the window, we have the poolside view. Caesar's Palace has a very nice pool complex. As you can see, there's several places you can take a dip. It looks like we have Flamingo Road and the I-15. Allegiant Stadium in the far rear. And Vidara is behind Bellagio. And I think that's the Octavius Tower and Augustus Tower for Caesar's Palace. Very nice. We hope you enjoy the room tour. This is Seeking Paradise Together. Please give us a thumbs up, share a comment with us, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.